Welcome to the family DIY. Today we are in our garage because we are finding some water leakage coming from our furnace. Let me show you. So I've already kind of stopped it, but you can see some drips coming from the furnace itself. And then we got water going all the way down the garage. Definitely don't want this to happen. You're going to find one of these drain hoses coming off of your furnace. So for mine right here, mine's a much older model. It's coming across from the very top, and you'll see the piping coming down the back. And then for mine, it actually comes all the way along back here. And this actually goes into my downstairs bathroom that's right behind here. Let me go show you what it looks like. All right, so we're now in the back here looking at the underside of my bathroom sink. And this hose right here is where all the condensation runs down into the main drain. So what we believe is the problem is basically somewhere along the line here, or somewhere anywhere coming along here, all the way up here, there's got to be some type of blockage. It's a really warm time of the year. We're just starting summer, so I've been looking at a lot of reviews online. So most likely this thing is filled somewhere. It's kind of probably clogged up with maybe some algae or something. So fortunately for our setup, there's this little section right here on top where I'm going to go ahead and put some bleach down the line here. So the bleach will kind of go down through here and it'll help clear out all the stuff. Other options you can try is if you have the ability to take this off. I mean, you can always cut it if you want, or if there's like somewhere to screw it. You can see down right here, this is just a loose fitting. We can just unscrew it. And then you can use like the reverse blow on your shop vac to try and blow out any possible gunk that's restricting the line, causing all this water to come out the bottom. So first I'm going to give it a try just with some bleach to kind of go down there, see if it helps clear up any of the blockage. So a couple ways you can get in there besides trying to clear out this section is you can always just drill like a little small hole right here and put some pipe cleaners, zip ties, or like some wires in to help clear out any gunk that might be held back in here. Again, this is just a drain line, so that really shouldn't cause any problems. If you happen to have a hole right here next to it, you can also try and poke in here and see if that helps move anything around, and then you might be able to hear a rush of water coming down. So that's definitely one option. And for another option, you can always use your shop vac to come up, slip this on. You want to try and make a seal around as best you can. Probably just use your hand, or if you can get a smaller nozzle, you can go right into the PVC pipe, and that'll help suck out the water and any of the gunk that might be in the pipe itself. So after all those attempts, I think we actually found what truly was our problem after all. So I came down here and I loosened up the pipe, and you can see the amount of gunk. It's kind of hard to see. This gunk, it's like a slimy, I don't even know what it is. It's probably like some type of algae or something like that. That was just built up down there. And this is where the pipe came down. The water came along here, came down here, and this is where it goes back into the bathroom. So now that I have it open, I'll be able to clear this pipe out. So here's a better look at the pipe. You can see there is nothing going to be able to go through that. So we want to get that cleared out. So now that I've cleared out all the gunk from the connection piece, to make sure the line is completely cleared out, I actually had this laying around. It's a liquid transfer pump. You can pick these up online. So you can see it's now pumping the water up through this pipe in there, and you can kind of hear it dropping out into that bucket down there. So the water is draining out. So it's a cool little tool, you know, for doing this, cleaning fish tanks or whatever you guys want to use it for. So the water came out pretty clear. There's a little bit of debris in there, so that's the kind of stuff that we're trying to clear out so it doesn't get stuck in the smaller sections of the connector. Now that we have this fully cleaned out, the pipe is cleared out, as well as the part that's going into the sink is all perfectly clear. We'll attach this back on and then get our air conditioning back up and running so we can have a nice cool summer. All right, so let me know in the comments below if any of these tips, methods, were able to help you out clearing out your HVAC unit. And if it's not working, I highly recommend just calling your local professional so you don't accidentally mess up your own equipment. So if this is helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.